प्रोग्राम को मजीद आगे बढ़ाते हुए मदरसा सिराजुल इस्लाम के शोबे हिफ्ज़ से ताल्लुक़ रखने वाले एक और तालिबे इल्म अब्दुल वहीद से मुल्तमिस हूँ कि माइक पर तशरीफ लाएं और इंग्लिश जुबान में तकरीर पेश फरमाएं।
अस्सलामु अलैकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। Start with the name of Allah, who is the beneficent and merciful. My dear teachers, respected scholars, and my class fellows, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today the topic of my speech is about Quran. Quran is revealed unto us. Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The first ayah of the Quran is Iqra bismi rabbika alladhi khalaq. In the age of 40 in Ghar Hira, which is situated in the city of KSA Makkatul Mukarramah. Quran is the book which is enchanted in all Yudit books. They have 30 paras 7 manzil and 6,666 ayat. In the every ayat of Quran, Allah Ta'ala said to dear listeners and educated him, a peace, justice, equality and mankind. Quran is the light for every human being. We are going to forget and fear the faith why of Quran. That's why we all Muslims are in a great troubling situation in Afghanistan, in Palestine, in Kashmir, in Iraq and in Syria. The Israel, Rus and America are targeting me because we left the lessons of Quran and Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam sunnah. My dear listeners, Quran is a complete book for the everyday life, survive, brotherhood, and the society. The following advice. It is the Yahudiyul Jannah to speak the Muslim from Quran that we will live the great leader Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam sunnah and friend to the shaitan. Dear friends, we need to read, understand and feel the real faith why of Quran and its prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam for complete our journey involved in after it. This is a complete book and a code for our religion and the fountainhead of Islamic law. It is the first source of Islamic law and without discrimination of race, color, religion or time. It is the first source of Islamic law and without any doubt is the result of success in this world in the year after. Thanks. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.